guys, Marcelo here with Salt Industries. We're in our R&D room with El General here that has raced 1,000 miles of Baja a few months ago that did really well. So as you can see, we're in progress and we've been very lucky to work with Traeger, and we got some boxes today from them and we're gonna open up and see what we got. So this thing's gonna be perfect for our overland build. It is their Tailgate 20, which should fit perfectly inside our bed of the Polaris General here. Let's see what we got. Traeger obviously knows we like to eat while we're out camping, and they stoked us out with some Texas spicy barbecue sauce, Traeger Q, sweet and heat, and some Traeger rub. So man, garlic chili pepper, so that looks really good. Can't wait. As you can see, this thing fits great in here. We're gonna engineer some awesome mounts for it, and yeah, we'll hopefully have this thing ready to go before Camp Razor here.